Hello, welcome to Catalyst Conference Prep Week. At this point, you have outlined the week for yourself, hopefully with very specific details. That's how we keep big projects from being overwhelming. We break it down to small, manageable steps. Important things to keep in mind during this week. One, as you are using that Google Doc to keep track of what you're doing each day to build towards Friday when the project is done, you need to keep a list of your works cited. Use whatever format you use at your school for citing resources, and then you're just going to cut and paste that and put that into your Word at the end of your WordPress page for the Catalyst Conference project. The Catalyst Conference states that you can use whatever works cited or bibliography style, whether it's APA, Chicago, whatever it is, whatever style your school uses is what you will use for the project. Number two, don't forget that interactive piece that you're needing to build into your WordPress page so that participants in the project get to engage your work. So be thinking about that while you're doing your Catalyst Conference research. Excuse me, I'm choking. Catalyst Conference research so that you have thought that through ahead of time. Number three, there is a Catalyst Conference checklist that you are going to want to use while you're building your project. What happens is before I can publish your conference out for tons and tons of people to see, I have to go through the checklist too and make sure you've hit every piece of criteria. So that's like early next week, me getting in touch with you. Hey, you forgot this, this piece of the criteria. I can't publish it. You got to do it now. That's going to be stressful. Instead, go through the checklist, really take the time to make sure every piece of criteria is being hit. The Catalyst Conference project is done by Friday, and then you're building it into WordPress. If you want to push hard on this and put extra time in and have it built into WordPress on Friday, go for it. That gives you more time to troubleshoot. I've already given you the login information, so you have that. If you're having a hard time logging in, you need to get in touch with me. Here is something that I need to say very loud and clear so it's not a surprise to you. The way you'll notice when you scroll through this week, it is set up so it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This week, you cannot submit Monday's work in on Tuesday because you have Tuesday's work to submit on Tuesday. If you skip doing Monday's work on Monday, you lose those points. So you're logging in every day. If you have to rearrange what you're actually working on because your schedule doesn't permit you to do everything you wanted to do that day, that's fine, but you still have to log into Canvas, put in your link to your Google Doc and state what is going on to get those points. There will be no making those up later. Consider this your fair warning. All right? Finally, I am available to twist and zoom as you troubleshoot this process, whether it's big idea concepts of what direction to go in, or if it's technical issues around building into WordPress. I am here to support. All you have to do is be in touch. All right, have a great week.